Do your mornings feel slow, heavy, or foggy, even if you got enough sleep? You might be making these 3 simple mistakes. Stay to the end, because tip number 3 is a game changer for your energy and focus. After 7 to 8 hours of no fluids, your body is mildly dehydrated. Even slight dehydration reduces blood flow to the brain, causing fatigue and mental fog. Tips: start your day with 1 to 2 glasses of water before coffee. Add a pinch of sea salt or lemon for a natural electrolyte boost. A sugary breakfast or just coffee causes a blood sugar spike. And then a crash. The result? You feel sluggish, irritable, and sleepy by mid-morning. Tip: eat protein and healthy fat in the morning like eggs, chia pudding, or Greek yogurt with nuts. This one's surprising, but powerful. When you snooze or stay in bed scrolling, you confuse your body's circadian rhythm. Tip: get out of bed and get sunlight within 30 minutes. It resets your internal clock, boosts mood, and wakes up your metabolism. Try these 3 tips for just a few days. You'll feel more alert, focused, and energized. And if you want more real tips like these, watch my video on this common habit is draining your energy every day. Like, subscribe, and take control of your mornings.